This is a CBSLA.com weather update.
I'm Danielle Gersh with your Tuesday morning weather update. So, of course, all eyes on Hurricane Florence. It's a Category 4 storm right now, packing winds of 130 miles per hour, and it's moving west-northwest at just 15 miles per hour. Here's the latest track. It does show it approaching the Carolina coast as we head into Thursday and early Friday as a Category 3 or 4 storm. So this is a major hurricane, and then look what happens as it moves right inland of the coastal communities. It's just going to stall and weaken slightly, but still produce a ton of rain. So this is a dangerous situation, and beginning Thursday into the weekend, that's when the Carolina coast all the way up into Virginia will start to feel the effects of this storm. So the main threats: historic rainfall and flooding. We're talking isolated rain totals 30 to 40 inches possible, damaging winds, hurricane force winds, tropical storm force winds, isolated tornadoes even possible, and devastating storm surge along the coast. So here at home, a much more pleasant forecast. We're watching a cooling trend the next couple of days. An area of low pressure is bringing in that marine layer each night and morning and cooling down our temperatures the next few days as well. So Futurecast does show clearing skies as we head into this afternoon. Same trend into tomorrow as well. Your extended forecast shows numbers today in the mid-70s along the coast, near 80 downtown, 90s. Still warm for the valleys, the inland areas, and the high deserts. We'll continue the cooling trend into tomorrow, then we'll warm up Friday into the weekend. Thanks for watching and hope you'll join us for CBS 2 News at 11 a.m.